would you expect to find a world-class manufacturer and global leader in power transmission technology? Germany? Japan? How about right in the heartland of America, where they have a special skill in handling horsepower and supplying its smooth transmission in some of the world's finest construction and agricultural equipment? For almost 50 years, Funk Manufacturing has been an industry leader in quality off-highway power transmission products. Supplying more than 500 OEMs around the world, Funk is the biggest producer of hydraulic pump drives, the largest independent supplier of agricultural transmissions, and has taken the global lead in the development and application of electronic shift controls. Located in Coffeyville, Kansas, Funk's world-class reputation has been built on state-of-the-art engineering, cutting-edge research and development, precision manufacturing technology, a quality-empowered workforce, and unmatched application experience and worldwide customer support.
This company is very proactive. We listen to the customer. We act together as a group in the customer's best interest. We act as a team, and we make the customer part of a team. We take the information that they give us. We work closely with them to determine what it is their needs really are, and we use the latest technologies that are available, and we apply our expertise that we've learned over the years to help them solve their problem.
This ongoing partnership with our customers is the heart of Funk's product delivery process. Our goal is to always meet or exceed our customers' expectations in quality, economy, and speed of delivery, while constantly improving our products and services. We accomplish this through our broad experience in application engineering, product customization, and our cost-conscious modular design culture. Through a combination of in-house expertise, outside consultants, and worldwide design and production partnerships, Funk has the ability to assemble the optimum team for any project. State-of-the-art engineering tools that enable simultaneous development and simulated testing ensure the design and verification phase will reduce chances for oversights to a minimum, resulting in the best possible product prototype.
Today's tools, especially with the three-dimensional modeling tools such as Pro Engineer that we use, really lend themselves to the simultaneous engineering environment where design engineers and tooling engineers, manufacturing people, the test and development engineers all contribute to this Pro Engineer three-dimensional model, and that model is used not only to develop the design up front, it's used to tool the parts, it's used for installation drawings for customers, and when you get to the hardware, it really looks exactly like the design intended to be.
Once the prototype has been created, it's sent through a rigorous examination at the Funk Tech Center, one of the most sophisticated and modern test facilities in the industry. After the component parts are received, the first prototype is assembled in the lab. Our test plan is primarily a product of the design failure mode and effects analysis. This process usually consists of accelerated life cycle testing, which evaluates clutches, bearings, and new gear train designs.
One of the services that we provide here at Funk is that we invite that customer to send in his vehicle to the test lab, and we'll do the fabrication work necessary to fit a Funk product into that customer's vehicle. Do the necessary shift development work, and then invite the customer in to drive his vehicle with the Funk product in it. This gives him an opportunity to compare what he has today versus what we're showing him here at Funk. This is really a win-win situation for the customer as well as for Funk, and we're very proud to show off our capabilities to the customer.
After the prototype has passed its rigorous tests, the product is machined and assembled in Funk's state-of-the-art manufacturing facility to exacting quality standards. Funk is an ISO 9001-1994 registered company and bases its quality system on those international standards. The key to quality compliance is our world-class workforce.
In my opinion, Funk's greatest assets are their people. They're well-trained, very experienced, and have a true desire to produce the best possible product. This is not because of a piece of paper with a quality statement on it, but because of their nature to not only want, but demand good quality. Each employee is responsible for their own quality and very proud of this. They know they have the right and even the authority to stop the production line or any procedure of operation if they perceive a quality problem or a quality issue. They know that nonconformance to specifications is totally unacceptable, and they just will not allow this to happen.
Crucial phases of the manufacturing process are computer-controlled and constantly monitored. The highly skilled machine operators and assembly workers are provided with and trained in the use of the most accurate measuring and gauging equipment in the industry today. Funk uses the focused factory concept of manufacturing. Each major product line has a dedicated factory that facilitates just-in-time production methods. Transmissions are thoroughly tested after assembly with computer evaluation of each unit. The final test checks shift performance, hydraulic pressures, and flows. Results are saved as a performance baseline for future reference.
We have some of the latest and up-to-date machining equipment available, but without our people, we would not be a world-class manufacturing organization.
As a world-class manufacturer, we have a global customer base that requires a worldwide network of service centers. 4 or 5 times a year, those service representatives are brought into the tech center for training. They're introduced to the newest technologies that have been developed since their last visit. Refresher courses or updates on new service techniques are also available. If training for a Funk product is needed by the OEM, the sessions may be conducted at the tech center or at the customer's facility. It's all part of Funk's world-class service.
What's so exciting to me about Funk is its dedication to being a world-class supplier of transmissions and related products. The Funk team recognizes that to be world-class means not only high-quality design and manufacturing processes, but also a distributed manufacturing base that gets us closer to our customers, supplied by a global supply chain that supports our distributed manufacturing strategy. Throughout the world, we have manufacturers that can add to Funk's expertise to come up with the best transmission on the market.
This global strategy is central to maintaining Funk's leadership in electronic shift controls and analog proportional control valve development, a technology that is critical to the next generation of power transmissions. Our newest valve enables the most precise control to date of clutch pressure and timing, providing smooth power shifts in all operating conditions.
Funk has been a leader in the application of proportional valve technology since 1985. Through creative thinking, research, and development, we intend to advance that technology and maintain our industrial leadership.
The key to that continued leadership is the Funk Electronic Controls Group, which manages the production of microprocessor-based control modules used for transmission control and performance monitoring.
The goal of the Funk Electronic Controls team is not to produce electronics. Our goal is to help produce the best transmissions in the world.
Funk engineers use modeling, lab experiments, and years of application experience to concentrate on developing new concepts in transmission control. Funk's ECU manufacturing partners, recognized in the industry as best in class, produce the electronic equipment. This allows the Funk team to concentrate its research and development resources on design software and hardware specifications that optimize energy management during shifts. Further electronic system testing is done in one of the 6 Tech Center test cells. There, an actual transmission can be controlled by the new shift design, allowing for clutch pressures, torques, and internal component acceleration to be analyzed. Using mobile data acquisition from actual field tests or precisely controlled weight sled testing, final hardware and software validation can be achieved by recording clutch pressure and other key parameters. This data is stored on a floppy disk and analyzed either at the machine or taken back to the lab for remote analysis. The final results will be a transmission control designed for precise load matching, the best fuel and time economy, and the smoothest shifts in the industry.
Our customers ask us for products that perform at a cost they can afford in a very short amount of time. And in Funk Manufacturing, that's exactly what we deliver.
And that's exactly what Funk will continue to deliver into the future as we marshal our worldwide resources to keep sharpening the cutting edge of transmission technology. We invite your partnership in this venture. Let us custom design and build the next generation of power transmissions with you. Because at Funk, the future is now.